Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Coinbase Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So for this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use Coinbase Wallet, but we'll also need the Coinbase application itself. So for us to get started, first you need to do here is to install the Coinbase Wallet application. So go to Google Play Store here, and from here you could go ahead and just type in Coinbase, and from here go ahead and search for it. Now in this case, go ahead and install Coinbase here, as well the Coinbase Wallet application. Now if you've previously installed it and you see any updates here, make sure that you actually update this one to ensure that you have the latest version installed in your mobile device. Now from here, once you've installed it, next thing you'll want to do is we first have to create our accounts. Now in this case, I'm assuming that you already have your Coinbase account created. So what we need to do here is we now need to create our wallet in the Coinbase Wallet application itself. So let's go ahead and open up Coinbase Wallet here, and from here we need to choose the option that says create new wallet. Now in here, what we need to do next is we need to fill out a few details, as well as details that we should be saving later on. So for now, let's go ahead and wait for it to complete. So if it asks any further verification for the creation process, go ahead. And in the next page, you won't be able to see it because it's actually a secure page. But in this page, it's going to ask you to create a passcode. So go ahead and create your passcode here, but once created, it's going to ask you to retype your passcode, and from here it's going to say creating your wallet. Also, in between the creation of your wallet, you might get, or you might receive a very line, or a very important line of words that you need to say. So make sure that you save that. That will be your recovery phrase. Now in here, what we need to do first is we first have to view a few things on how we actually navigate and use the settings here. So we have the different settings here. First is the assets page here, which is located at the bottom left here that says assets. Now in the assets page, you'll be able to see all your cryptos, NFTs, and DeFi. So meaning this is kinda your main dashboard for viewing all your assets. Now in here, in the next page, we have transactions. So transactions are all of the transactions that you made in your account. Like for example, you sent and received crypto via your account. Well, this is where you'll be able to see those transactions and their details. Now in the browse page here, you'll be able to see different information. Like for example, we have quests here, the apps here, collect, swap, earn, and a lot more. Now from here, you can go ahead and use the search or type URL to view other things here. Now we also have the explore function here. Now here in the Explorer, you'll be able to do multiple things and learn more about the crypto environment. Now we have the all here. We have the option to view coins only or NFTs if you want to. Now I'm going to leave it up to you if you want to explore these things, but we also have the settings option here. Now settings is very important because this is where you'll be able to change a few things about your account. Like for example, edit or add networks, your security, display, connect to Coinbase, notification, help. So if you need further assistance on your account, you can go ahead and use the help center and support section. Now in this case, there's a lot of things that we could do here. Like, well, later on, I'll be showing you that it's really important that you connect your Coinbase wallet here to your Coinbase account. So for now, let's go back to assets here. Now, under assets, there are things that you can do here. That, for example, we have the option to buy, swap, bridge, send, and receive crypto. We also have the option to view our address. So at the top left of your screen, you should be able to choose a wallet. So if you want to add another wallet or create a new wallet, you could go ahead and choose the add or manage wallets. Now in this case, we want to basically use it in a basic way. So first thing is if you want to buy crypto, click on the buy function here. And from here, you just need to enter the amount that you want to buy. Like for example, we also have the option to choose what crypto. So currently I've set this to ETH. Now if you want to change that, you could go ahead and click on the buy option here, and you could go ahead and search the crypto that you want to buy. So they have a lot of crypto that is available right now. So they have Inch, they have also have Shiba Inu here, as well as I think Dogecoin is also in here. But yeah, you could go ahead and choose your crypto here, and once you've chosen it, you also have the option to change the network. Now, network here is also really important because your network is going to determine how your transaction would proceed. Like, for example, if someone is actually requesting you to transfer this type of crypto, and they also include the network, so it's really important that you choose the correct network, because if you don't choose the correct network, they will not be able to receive the crypto itself. Now here, let's just go back in here. Now from here, click on continue to payment, and from there it's going to say you're being redirected to the TransFi. Now from here, just click on OK, and you'll be able to proceed to buying your crypto. So follow the steps and you should be good. Now, I also have to inform you that when it's actually the first time that you click on the buy option there, it's going to ask you to basically connect your Coinbase account. So go ahead and just click on continue, follow the steps, and you'll be able to connect your account. Now, we also have the option to swap here. So if you want to swap your assets, so as you can see, it's going to ask me to add crypto to your wallet. Now in this case, let's just go back in here. From here, we also have the bridge, the send, and receive. Now if you want to send crypto, click on send here, but you'll need to have a asset first for you to send on your account. Now I also have the receive function here. Like if you want to receive funds from another wallet, you could go ahead and do that. Now from here, we have different ways on receiving that. So we have the QR code method or the address itself. So if you click on the copy button here, it's going to say copy to clipboard, and you can go ahead and send that address, and they can use that to send crypto. Now if you want to use a QR code, for example, we could go ahead and click on QR code here, and they'll be able to scan this QR code and send those assets into your account here. Now, if you want to send or receive a different asset here, click on other assets here, and you could basically choose other assets that you might want to add into your account. Now from here, these are the basics on how to use it. So by the way, just a few things here. You can also use the message at the top right here. These are the notification messages into your account. We also have the scanning for a function here. So just click on allow if it requests any further information. So in this case, it's going to say send crypto and connect to the apps by scanning a QR code. So you could go ahead and use that. If for example someone provided you a QR code, you could use this function to scan that QR code. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.